All right, let's do this study link, which is called Estimating Products, and this is study link 5.4. And our instructions are estimate whether the answer will be in the tens, hundreds, thousands, or more. Write a number model to show how you estimated, then circle the box that shows your estimate. So, interesting thing about this word, if it's a verb, it is estimate. If it's a noun, it's estimate. 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 Just a little bit of a different pronunciation. But let's look at the first problem, and then I think we'll figure this out pretty quickly. So a koala sleeps on average 22 hours each day. About how many hours does a koala sleep in a year? So really it's saying 22 times how many hours in a year, or how many days in a year, which is 365. But this is an estimate, so we can round. So 22, let's round that to 20. And 365 is close to 400. So this is our estimate. And 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. And then these zeros need to come here. And our estimate is 8,000. And that is a 4-digit number. So 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, and so on. 4-digit number is in the thousands, so we circle there, thousands. Let's take a look at the next one. A prairie vole, which is a mouse-like rodent, has an average of 9 babies per litter. So a litter is when an animal has a bunch of babies at once. And if it has 17 litters in a season, about how many babies are produced? That is a lot of babies. Okay, so 9, what do you think we should round 9 to? It is very close to 10. So let's round 9 to 10. And 17 in a season. So how about we round that to 20? So that is simply 200. And that is in the hundreds, yeah? Let's do just a part of the next one. And you know what? Actually, this one, 5 golf balls per round. 1 round every day for 1 year. Remember how many days are in a year. I think you can do that one on your own. But let's look at this number 4. In the next hour, the people of France will save 12,000 trees by recycling paper. So let's round 12,000 to a very even number of 10,000. And now, how many trees will they save in 2 days? So now we have to think, how many hours are in 2 days? So 1 day, of course, is 24 hours. And 2 days would be 48 hours. That's close to 50. So why don't we do times 50? All right, so we will do, let's see, 5 times 1 gives us the 5. And how many zeros do we need to add? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 zeros need to be added here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500,000. That one's going to be here. Okay. This next one is interesting. How many digits can the product of 2 two-digit numbers have? So this is basically saying 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. How many digits is the answer going to be? So let's just try some examples. So the lowest we could have here is 10 times 10, right? That's the smallest 2-digit number you can have. And we know that is 100. So that's 3 digits. What if we do a larger numbers though? What if we did 90 times 90? That is going to give us 8,000 100, which is 4 digits. So I would write something like the product would have 3 or 4 digits, and then show some more examples. Don't just show my examples here, but show some other examples to show it would be 3 or 4 digits. And then finally, just finish with some multiplication, which I think you should be able to do, extend facts, and that's it for this one. Thank you very much. Goodbye.